So we are going to start our next part of the branch instructions, and this is the last one from the branch instructions. Okay, so here at the beginning I'll show you a list of all the branches with some description here, because I know that we struggle a lot when we check our set of instruction column 2, because it's not too descriptive. So that's why I listed all the branches with little description so that you understand which branches should be used when. And then we also have some interesting quiz questions here so that you can utilize all these descriptions there. So for an example, let's say if we give you these 3 lines, and if we ask you these, that given the following list of branch instruction, choose one branch instruction that must always make a branch from line 3 of the code segment above when first number is positive and second number is negative. So if you look at our 3 lines, we actually said num1, num2. So those are sort of like variables. And let's say the other part of the program we just said what is num1 and what is num2. So we don't know the value of num1 and num2. But all we are trying here is, can you select a branch for which it will branch for the following condition, based on the following condition: when the first number is positive, okay, and the second number is negative, and then the difference is also negative. Now, a couple of things here. We have a list of branches, and you have to select one. Now, to make it a little bit easier for you, what I did is we will let you just select one correct answer, and it will give you 100%. Okay? So that means even if you have more than one answer here, if you have any such thing, then just select one, you'll get 100%, because all you have to do is just select one branch instruction from the list. Now, what we know from here, we know a couple of things. Number one is the first number is positive, second number is negative, and the difference must be negative. So since the difference must be negative, let's first check the condition of these branches. We can always go to our set of instruction and check the condition of the branch, right? So look at the conditions here. For the first one, it said n equals to 1, which should work here, right? Because think about the difference is negative, right? So that means the result you will get is a negative result. So n flag will be set. So that branch will make a branch. The first one, BMI. Now, the second one is z equals to 0. That means 0 flag is not set, which is also true, because the result is negative, means the result is not 0, 0, right? So that means 0 flag will not set. And for that reason, B and E also will work. How about these two? Let's check the V flag. What happens when you have two numbers? First number is positive, second number is negative, and the result is negative, and you are doing a subtraction. So let's say you are doing a subtraction. First number is positive, second number is negative, difference is negative, right? That's what you are told, right? What happens? V flag is set, right? V flag is set, so V equals to 1 then. So that means BVS will also work, because for all of these three, since the branch condition is meeting, the branch will meet. So we have 3 questions correct. All these green choices: BMI, BME, and BVS. But what you have to do when you'll be doing the quizzes, just select one correct answer. If you select all of it, that's great. But if you just can select just one out of the list, it will still take it. Okay? Let's try another one, pretty much similar to this one. So let's say I give you this list, 3 lines here, and we have to select a branch instruction such that the first number is negative. It will make a branch when the first number is negative, second number is negative, and the sum is positive. Okay. Again, let's check all the condition of the given branches. See, let's check the first one. The condition is n equals to 1. I don't think this will work because sum is positive, right? That was mentioned. But since the sum is positive, the n flag will never set. So this will not branch, right? So how about C flag? First number is negative, second number is negative, and the sum is positive. Do you think the C flag might set? You are adding two numbers, right? Now, most of the times when this happens, you actually have a carry, okay? And that's why even if two numbers are negative, you got a positive sum. So C flag will set actually. So that should work. And regarding the V flag, again, let's check. We have both numbers negative and the sum is positive. What happens to V flag? Let's recall the condition. Both numbers are positive and the sum is negative. V flag is set, right? For addition, because we're doing an addition, right? Check the second line, ADDA, right? Second line of the code. So we are actually doing an addition, so the V flag is set again. So pretty much V flag and C flag will be set. So we have these two correct answer here. And all you have to do is just select one out of these two. So pretty much in the next quiz, which is quiz number 14, you'll see the questions like this where you have to select a branch instruction for which the branch will make. So all you have to do is just check the branch condition and check the operation and see for those operations which branch gets set. I'm saying will meet the condition, and then select one of those branches. Okay. Any question? Let's go to the quiz section. Let's try the last quiz from the branch, which is quiz 14. This is a very important quiz in the sense that this is the first one where you are the one who will select the branch. Okay. And you can always use the description I gave you at the beginning of this presentation, which is a little bit longer and good description of the branch compared to the ones that we have in the column 2 of the set of instruction. Okay. So when you will be answering this question, just use the description from here, from this lecture.